funny. Hey, at the airport. Friends, it's been a long time I haven't vlogged, so I'm with my friends. Julia,
We're not friends.
Yeah, she's just a stranger basically. We're going to, where are we going, guys? Hey, what time is it? It's 5 a.m. 8th of December. Hey. So the other is still on the coach, still on their way. Yeah. Quite a long time I haven't vlogged because it's busy, so many things, and now we're going somewhere.
We're gonna get thirsty.
Hey. We'll be back. So,
Hi, sir.
hi, sir.
You should say hi, sir.
Say hi for my vlog.
Hi. Oh yeah. Where are you off to?
We're off to Lanzarote. Yay.
Excellent.
Nice and early.
Yeah, we're in the airport right now. We're going for holiday only, we're not doing work. Back. So we're waiting for the arrest and we're still here, staying down on the floor. There's Mr. Charka, Mr. Morgan, Julia, Kisha. And look guys, I'm like near the Christmas tree! Because Christmas is coming. And then yeah, I'll try to vlog. I'll try not to get shy. I try to avoid people like think I'm crazy talking to a camera. Like Julia thinks I'm crazy, but I'm definitely not. I'm just doing it for the vlog. There you go, we're having EasyJet.
It was good.
Yes, I'm sitting down the floor if you can see it. I'm not sure. Oh, why is it red? I got bruises. There. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be coming by there. I'll try vlog as well going to the plane if I can. Sure if the camera is focusing because as I said earlier, I haven't vlogged for a long time, so I need to get used to it for more because it's hard because I can't flip it around to see myself if it actually focuses me, so we'll catch you guys later. Hey, I'm like under the Christmas tree and Julia is taking a picture of me, I guess. And Nate is right here. Hey, Nate, what are you doing?
I'm doing nothing.
And they're still late. What time is it there?
It's 6 a.m.
Already?
Yeah.
And we were here, I think, around 4 something, 4:50, something like that. They're late. I'm just gonna try vlog around the airport, but not as far as where they're going. So this is Gatwick Airport. Yes. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, how to go? Because I'm not allowed to film. Bye. Quick update. So we finished the security gate. Oh, security checkout. How did it go, sir?
Oh, it was good for us, but we're still waiting for some people who haven't arrived yet.
How long did they have?
I'd say if they're here in 10 minutes, then that's okay. If they're here in 20 minutes, then it's getting a bit worrying. If they're here in 30 minutes, then
They must have
looking like
we're leaving
yeah,
now.
exactly, yeah. So yeah, better if they're here in 10 minutes.
Yeah,
I'd
our
be
gate's still
I think
waiting.
I'd be happier then.
Yeah, the
Because
gate's
then
still
we
waiting.
can all go together and do all that. Lots of field work, and I've got all the notes here for them to fill in. Can't wait. Lots of work.
Yes.
Brilliant. Lots of work.
Loads of people here. I'm not sure even if I can record here, but I'm gonna sneak out. We look so tired, so don't say anything. They look bored because
it,
there's no
wait.
Wi-Fi. Yeah. Here's the information right there.
They have 8 minutes until we get the info.
Damn.
That's
So guess what? Here's Miss Capote. It's a video. Yeah, we all. Oh, the others is down there. Hey guys, hey. Ready for departure, yeah? So basically,
Buenos dias.
London. What time is it? It's currently 3:34.
Really? It's all like trying to get away from all the other
Yeah, sorry. Sarah, how long is the journey?
The journey is 4 hours. It depending on how
same sort of
fast.
time we were waiting for everyone to turn up.
Hopefully you can go with.
Yes. So, yes, see you later.